I'm just filming all the really weird things. Have you seen the bottle of champagne that they left us? No, look. Complimentary. Have a look at this. This one is. Elon is a stinky. Elon is a stinky poo. We're at the bottom of Tasmania, end of the world. Little place called Cockle Creek Campground. Tessellated pavement.
So the surface come from the sea.
Baby.
It's starting to lift and shake there.
This was so worth it to come all the way out here. It looks like an ancient city. honking. These trees. Just making our way back. Been to the Cape, 8 kilometres from the car park. Crazy.